Flatbed scanners are devices designed to digitize documents, photos, and books with high clarity by placing them on a glass surface for scanning. They are widely used for office, archival, and creative work because they offer sharp image quality, color accuracy, and support for various document sizes. Starting at number 1. VIISAN 3120A3 Flatbed Scanner. The VIISAN 3120A3 Flatbed Scanner is a versatile high-resolution scanner designed for documents, photos, and books, making it ideal for libraries, schools, and small offices. It features a 1200 dpi CIS sensor for clear and detailed scans and can scan large A3-sized materials up to 11.7 x 16.7 in about 8 seconds. Its frameless design and auto-scan function make operation fast and convenient. Compatible with both Windows and Mac, it offers reliable performance for everyday scanning needs in educational and professional environments. Number 2. VIISAN VF3240A3 Scanner. The VIISAN VF3240 large format flatbed scanner is a high-performance A3 scanner designed for fast, high-quality digitizing of documents, photos, books, and artwork. It offers a 2400 dpi optical resolution with a CIS sensor for sharp and detailed image capture. With its ability to scan up to 297 and 20 mm, 11.7 or 16.7, it supports large format materials, making it ideal for offices, schools, libraries, and design work. The scanner is also very fast, able to complete a full A3 scan in about 4 seconds. Number 3. Epson Workforce ES50. The Epson Workforce ES50 portable sheet-fed document scanner is a lightweight and compact scanning device designed for both PC and Mac users, making it ideal for travel, home offices, or small workspaces. It connects easily via USB and does not require a separate power source, ensuring simple plug-and-scan operation anywhere. It delivers fast, efficient performance capable of scanning a single page in just a few seconds, and supports a variety of documents including receipts, ID cards, and standard papers. With Epson's scanning software, users can easily save files as PDFs or images and organize documents quickly. Number 4. Epson DS-1630. The Epson Workforce DS-1630 document scanner is a versatile and efficient scanning solution designed for both office and professional use. It delivers fast performance with speeds of up to 25 pages per minute, helping you handle large scanning tasks quickly. The scanner supports Twain and ISIS drivers, ensuring smooth integration with a wide range of document management systems and software. It also comes with a 3-year warranty and next business day replacement service, offering added reliability and peace of mind for long-term use. With its flatbed and automatic document feeder combination, it can handle everything from single documents to multi-page stacks with ease, making it a dependable choice for everyday scanning needs. Number 5. CZUR Aura Pro. The CZUR Aura Pro is a document scanner that features a compact design with dimensions of 5.1 dx 7.09, wx 17.44, h and weighs 1.5 kilograms. It connects via USB and is compatible with Mac OS 10.13 or later, as well as Windows XP 7, 8, 10, 11. The scanner boasts an impressive resolution of 4320x3240 and a color depth of 24 bits, allowing for high-quality scans. It has a standard sheet capacity of 3 and utilizes CIS optical sensor technology. The scanning process is ultra-fast, taking just 2 seconds per page, and supports multiple output formats including JPG, Word, PDF, and searchable PDF. Additionally, the Aura Pro is equipped with a smart lamp that features glare-free and non-flickering lighting with 4 adjustable color temperature settings, all controlled through the CZUR app. It also includes 32 LED lights and 2 supplemental side lights to ensure optimal lighting conditions for both scanning and reading without the need for Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity.